Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today I'm going to shed some light on a transfer between an adult child and a parent, or parent and an adult child in real estate. Before I get to that, if you would like to make an appointment, if you'd like to speak with me on the phone, please go to Frank Bruno Law. My website, it skips an appointment, guardianship, real estate, probate, elder law. I'll give you a free telephone conversation. If you'd like to send an email, you could do that as well. Frank Bruno Law. So I was contacted today and I spoke through some issues related to a piece of property. So in New York, oftentimes people will transfer property, an adult child to a parent or a parent to an adult child for a variety of reasons. So what I have seen is that an adult person may have bad credit. They may have low salary income. They may not have a good job. Or they may have a good salary, but bad credit or not enough money in the bank. So for one reason or another, they might want to have another family member obtain a mortgage for them. So the call that I took today revolved around a past situation so years in the past, I don't know, 12, 15 years ago, an adult son transferred a property, bought a property, and transferred it to his mother, who refinanced it, right? And I think that was the scenario, or at least for purposes of this conversation, that'll be the scenario. Slightly different on the phone call. And then the mother refinanced, and it was a lower rate and based on her credit and salary. Now, fast forward to today, the mother is the owner. She's a woman advanced age. She has a couple of children. Well, the adult son and his wife need the house back in their name. And some of the issues that we spoke about were whether or not we could do by a regular deed transfer. What are the pros and cons of that? Whether it should be put into a trust, and can a trust be changed? Can a trust be amended? If the trust directs at this point in time that it should go to the son, daughter-in-law, I think the daughter-in-law had some concerns that if the mother-in-law got upset with her, maybe that paragraph in the trust would be changed. So there's a number of issues. If you have a specific fact pattern, if you want to discuss anything with me, please send me Frank at Frank Bruno Law. Thank you very much.